Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with another digital collection, and this is from Sandy from Decorate Your Life. And you guys, as you guys can see, there is so many cuteness in this paper pad or this paper collection or digital collection. You guys, you know she has a digital and paper collection. Go over to her store, check it out. You guys, I just looked at her store as well, and she has paper pads that are on sale. So do go over, check them out, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at you guys. So this one is a really basic one, as you guys could see. This one is called Country Critters, and you will see why in the moment. OMG, look at this. So this is so cute. And then here we go. These are like the little cut aparts. If you want to do cut aparts, basically you could cut around this. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller. And cute little doggy, kitty, the little piglet, oh my goodness, and the little cow. And there you go. And then here, OMG, look at you guys. This little girlie is the cutest. So this little girl with her hat, with her little hat with flowers, and her bike in the background, and the little doggy right there with the little bow, if you guys could see, the kitty. Oh my gosh, so many details, so much to look at here. And oh my gosh, you just fall in love with it, you guys. There's a tree again. Here is the chicken coop, I want to say, and here is the chicklet, if you guys could see this. And there's the hen. Oh, that is the cutest. I love this one. And look at this one, you guys. So this one, this little girl is somewhere in her house, because it looks like a chimney right there. And of course you have foliage right here. You have a what is it called? Oh my goodness, I can't remember what these are called, but so cute. So oh my goodness, I can't remember. You got the hands, you got her picking up flowers, you got the little kitty. So cute. And let's go to the country. Oh my goodness, that is the cutest. And look at this one, you guys. So you have all these right here. OMG, I love the barn house. That is the cutest. The barn house and the piglet, and oh my goodness, all of them are so cute, as you guys could see. I did print this out in a 8.5 by 11. Oh, OMG, because I fell in love with it. And look at this one. Love the colors. Oh my goodness, look at the little piglet and the little chick, and of course again the little kitty. There's a roll of yarn right there, there's a bunny right there, and there's the little dog right here chasing after its ball, and of course the cow and the chickie right here. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness. So you guys, if you guys own a printer, you guys could basically print these non-stop, resize them, make them any size. This is such a basic, you know, inexpensive way to own your digitals, you guys, and you guys can reprint them as many times as you guys would like. There is no limit to your printing. Once you own a digital that is on your computer file or your file, as long as you don't erase it, it will be there forever. And here's a little lamb. I was forgetting the lamb. I just saw her. Oh my goodness. So there's so much to look at and so many cuteness in here. Oh my goodness. So anyways, you guys, this is one of her best digitals that I've come across. Oh my goodness. Well, one of the best. Oh my gosh, she has so many. And here is this one right here. I love the soft pastel colors along with this one. And as I was saying, you guys can reprint as many times as you like. It is a digital. If you guys want a physical paper, she also does sell that. Just go over to her store and you guys will see that. You guys, like I said, it is not an expensive digital. It's very inexpensive, and you could reprint as many times as you like, any size. And look at these, you guys. So these, you could print them at 8 by 11. I did choose to print this. I think this one is a 7 by, let me see, 7 by 8, I believe, or 6.5 by 8. These are 6.5 by 8. So you could use these for journaling, you guys. You could use, oh my goodness, so many endless possibilities on creating stuff with these. I can't wait to work with it. So you guys, again, it's called Country Critters. I'll link the store down in the description below. You guys, oh my goodness, go over, check them out. Really. So thank you for taking the time to watch. And if you guys, I will link the affiliate link down on the description below. If you guys decide to purchase this, you know, click on my affiliate link. It is at no additional cost to you at whatsoever. It just helps with my extra costs with supplies, giveaways that I might be doing. So hint. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.